It's Fairy Phoenix. Welcome to Fairy Phoenix, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to leave your thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Hi guys, I want to introduce you to my book, How a Player God Played. It is now available on Amazon. You can get yours in soft copy for only $3. How a Player God Played.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story.
Father God is a really a blessing. One word of us still we know.
And I got green, man.
What's it? My God! My God!
It's a long time now.
Father, we know say that one whole night, but so much. One word of something right this up. Vicky, you see that, Vicky? Huh? River come out of the tree, river. Rivers of water that bring forth life in this season. Leave and so shall not be there. You can believe? Look at the volume of water that come out of a natural tree.
Find the tree, man.
Look there. Tell you.
The water from the tree.
When you see water come out of the tree, this is a miracle. Yes, I have to put it on Facebook. Yes, people. If you tell them this and say God will come, but I know God will come, I just a blessing, you know. I just saw me yard bless and full of water. You know, me did always say me thirsty, but you know, no one knows there's so much thirst of water around me that's supposed to be quenched, you know. And I shall not live without the water, but by thy bread, you know, shall eat bread, you know, and drink from the tree of life. This must be a miracle. This I've never seen it like this. No one ever seen it like this. Yeah, this one was really more than what we expected. Yes, it's a blessed man. Look the family, look. Look, Tony, look Raymond, look. Why hard me cut the tree? John no. You tell me say I just enough blessing you say, you know? Yeah, man, I have blessing, you know? It's high. Hold me down.
Guys, thanks for watching.
I get it back and I triple it up. Bag never empty, I'm filling it up. Making my wrist and my pinky lit up. Don't hit the store, you know I got the plug.